Hello my friend, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Let's meet on a weekday.
Weekday.
I have lunch at work every weekday. Oh no! I got on the wrong bus.
Fell. Who got on the subway after you? Who got on the subway after you?
Oh no! Why is the subway empty?
Do you have free time on weekdays? Did your parents work only on weekdays?
My office opens at 7:30.
My boss called me at 7:30 today. When my grandpa goes to work, he gets on a boat. Does your girlfriend work on weekdays?
Get on the subway. Get on. Get on the subway.
What time do you get on the bus?
Easter. Midnight. Neck. Empty.
Pain. At 7:30, my kids should be at school.
got on the wrong bus.
My office opens at 7:30.
Our cars are the same.
Same. Это одинаковое.
All my days are the same. I love my coworkers' friends.
Word. Word.
My coworkers' sandwiches always look tasty. My coworkers' chairs are more comfortable than mine. My coworkers' chairs are more comfortable than mine.
I never take my coworkers' mugs.
One moment. I'm parking my car. Luckily, our schedules are the same. We have lunch at 1:30.
We celebrating. Celebrating Christmas in 2 weeks.
Is it really 1:30 already?
The list of new customers is on my boss's computer.
Everybody leaves at 1:30 on Friday.
Customer.
My husband drives well, but he can't park the car. Avenue. Share. Customer. Band. Accept.
I park my car near the office. I park my car near the office.
1 moment. I'm parking my car.
Pajamas.
Where are my pajamas? Oh no, I hate this channel.
Model. Model.
Sorry, I don't see your diary here.
Don't worry, I didn't forget my diary.
Don't worry, I didn't forget my diary.
Actually, I lay down at 8 o'clock yesterday.
My son lay down at 10 o'clock yesterday.
I usually finish work at 9:30.
We usually have dinner at 9:30. We usually have dinner at 9:30.
Maxime had a lot of work, and he laid down at midnight.
After work, I lie down on a couch and rest.